Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into nerdywave.com, an online store dedicated to the I only wear black crowd. They specialize in vintage gaming, horror, and dark-themed apparel, perfect for looking edgy while you're actually just playing Animal Crossing. It's a one-stop shop for pop culture fans and anyone whose fashion sense involves a lot of skulls and existential dread. But before you hand over your credit card, let's see if this site is a dream or a digital nightmare. First, the paperwork. Nerdy Wave was registered in September 2024, and it's managed to survive for over a year, which in internet time is basically a century. Many scam sites disappear faster than my motivation on a Monday, so this gives them a sliver of credibility. They're also surprisingly popular on social media, boasting 68,000 followers on Instagram. Apparently, being active online and engaging with users is the new way to prove you're a real human and not just three raccoons in a trench coat. The store is officially run by Shunny Galexan Technology Company Limited. Having a real company name attached is reassuring, even if it does sound like a shell corporation from a spy movie. On Trustpilot, they've earned a 4.3-star rating, which is better than most of my exes. However, if you venture into the dark forests of Reddit, the reviews get a bit more spicy. While some people love their gear, others are calling them out for using artwork without permission and selling AI-generated designs. Because nothing says alternative fashion like a computer-generated image of a stolen drawing, right? The products are mostly sourced from China, and while the material is reportedly okay, the sizing is a total game of Russian roulette. Shipping takes about 2 weeks, and the tracking info is often about as clear as a foggy window. So here's the verdict. Nerdy Wave is a legitimate business, but it's definitely dancing on the edge of an ethical cliff. If you decide to shop there, proceed with caution, and maybe consider throwing a few bucks at an independent artist who actually drew the stuff. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews that tell it like it is.